Let's make chocolate martinis. Hey y'all, what's better than making a chocolate martini? Everybody likes martinis and we like chocolate as well. So I decided, let's go ahead and make a chocolate martini. And then I also like sweet drinks. So this is right up my alley. So a little bit of ice, some Irish cream. So we're gonna do 4 ounces. This is a 1 ounce. So we're gonna do 4 ounces of Irish cream. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're gonna take our chocolate liqueur. We're gonna do 4 ounces of that. So this is really easy. 4 ounces. This you can really remember. Chocolate liqueur, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're gonna do ounces of vodka. So this is gonna get you a little tipsy. 1, hopefully I got enough room. 2, 3. I have some chocolate syrup. So I'm just gonna put some in the middle of this. We're gonna try to go around. Let me get better because I need to go kind of around more of the rim. So take your chocolate syrup. I chilled the martini glasses and I'm just gonna kind of try to get the chocolate syrup on the rim of the martini glass. And do you guys know martini glasses is expensive? I've been looking for some. They ain't no joke. They are expensive. Decorate inside. Just put, however you want to decorate inside your glass. It's a lot in here, so I'm gonna be careful. I'm gonna go like this. So then we're just gonna go ahead and pour our martini. Like I said, I like chocolate. Everybody likes a martini, and this was easy. We only had 3 ingredients. So let's go in and taste with the chocolate shavings on top. It's good. It's good. It's strong. Woo. But it gives you that buzz. You can taste the chocolate. You can definitely taste the vodka. I did the little chocolate shaving, the peanut butter, Reese's chocolate shavings, and you kind of get like that peanut buttery chocolate from the shavings, and then the sweet chocolate from the chocolate syrup, and kind of like the creaminess from the Baileys, and then the chocolate liqueur. This is a sexy drink, ladies. This is a good drink, ladies. When you have your events at your house, or when you have girls' night, or you want something chocolate, but you also want a cocktail at the same time, this is a must get. And it's 3 ingredients: your chocolate liqueur, your Irish Bailey, and your vodka. Get you those chocolate shavings and chocolate syrup, and go in. Don't say that I never showed you something or gave you something. Make this recipe. It'll be on at divinecuisine.com. Love y'all, Chef Shay.